Hi Bestie, in this video I'll be doing several saving challenges. I will do the 50 envelope, the 52-week savings challenge, and in the black 100 envelope saving challenges. If any of those challenges interest you, hopefully guys you stay until the end to see how much I save for the week doing these 3 saving challenges. Hi Bestie, welcome to my channel. So glad you decided to join me today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to join me as I continue to work on my 50 envelope saving challenges. But in this video, I'm starting two new saving challenges, which is the 52 week. And I added that because a few fellow cash stuffers told me last week that is something they had worked on and just finished. And I said I want to go ahead and try it out. So I'm doing the 52 week. And then I'm going to add in the 100 envelope challenge. And it's in the black savings box that I got from Miss Sadie. And I'll make sure to include her information in the description. So for the 50 envelopes today, guys, I'm only cash stuffing $33. Since I'm adding in the other challenges, because typically with the 50 envelope, I probably would do like 4 or 5 cash stuffing into the 50 envelope. But since I'm adding in the 52 week and another 100 envelope savings challenge to my routine right now, I said I would just cash stuff 33 for the 50 envelope this week. And I think by adding in those other 2 saving challenges that I'm doing is just going to make it quite interesting and not boring. Even though I almost finished the 50 envelope, I say, you know what, I had this on my saving plans to do these challenges, and I just switch them up in how I'm going to do it and when I'm going to do those particular challenges. Because I should be finished. Well, if I was still doing it 3 or 4 times before, I probably would have been finished this 50 envelope in February, and I might can still finish it in February. I don't know. We'll see. As long as I'm finished it by June. So this is the 52-week saving challenge right here, guys. And let me get my cheat sheet. I have planned everything out and what I want to save, guys. And also, I did go over this when I did my paycheck budget. So for the 52-week saving challenges, I've allocated to cash stuff $10. And let me add this up to make sure. Yep, it reconciled. So let me get a marker so I can shade these amounts in. Hold on, making sure that I do this right, because this is my first time ever tackling or trying to do the 50-week challenge. So guys, please bear with me as I adjust to make sure that I'm doing this right. And for the 50-week challenge that I'm doing, I'm going to keep the 52-week savings challenge within my binder that has the checkered disc with my 50 envelope. Since I do have enough pouches for that within this, I thought it would be just great to keep it in here. And so now that that is done, let me add the $10. And so what I did, I just went ahead and did the entire month of January for the 52-week challenge. So for the 52-week savings challenge, guys, I will definitely be skipping around because I do want to cover some of the higher amounts whenever I can. And here's a reminder, guys, don't ever give up. Okay, so now let's go to, let me get my savings box. And that's this is the box that I got from Sadie. This is my first time ever doing a box challenge. And this is stay in the black, and you see those double lines. All right, so let's go ahead and let me look at my cheat sheet to see how much I've allocated to do with this challenge. Okay, so for this challenge, guys, I have budgeted to cash stuff $15 for this one. Now, this is my first time doing the 100 envelope challenge with envelopes like this. And I'm gonna see how it goes. My only thing is, so it should be a rewarding experience for me once I finish this challenge and then I have to take all the money out. Cause I'm typically using where I don't have to fold the cash up. So this is going to be interesting. And then I might end up changing things around. Like right now, I am cash stuffing the amounts that's on each individual envelope. But as I get further into doing this challenge, I might end up switching some things around. I might do the dice switch up, do the playing cards with this to switch up to select which ones I should cash stuff. And then I might double or triple the amount of the envelope. So I can save more than the $5,050. Okay, so this is number 5. And this is the last one that I'm cash stuffing in this savings challenge. But yeah, I probably just remix this one and do a little bit, add different things in it. And then it'll be interesting to see how much I save once I complete this challenge. So that was quick. Okay, so now let me mark these on the tracker. You know what? Hold up, let me get some stickers. I did end up pulling some sticker sheets from a few sticker books. Cause typically, with the sticker books, I don't even use the dot stickers like talking about it. So like last week when I was doing one of my saving challenges, I was like, well, maybe I should just use some stickers. So that's what I'm gonna try right now. Now I should have just did this before and set aside which stickers I was gonna use. Sorry guys, I didn't do that. I just know I had pulled a lot of stickers out. Let's see if I'm gonna do this one right here. Uh, yeah, I should have decided just beforehand and I didn't. But let me see. I have some stickers that I put in my budget planner. I think I'm going to use these stickers for this challenge. And I got this out of these stickers right here. I had cut them out of one of my Kettle Plan sticker books that I had. And I still need to go through some more of my sticker books and cut out the dots so I can use those with the saving challenges. And I think it's great because I do have a lot of sticker books and it'll be a way for me to use what I have. Since I have it, why not? And I'm not planning on redoing this challenge. Well, I might end up doing the box again because I can always create another tracker. And then I do have the 100 envelope trackers in my saving challenge books as well. So yeah, I definitely can use the envelopes in the box again. And I'm gonna put those stickers in this box. So guys, that's basically it with those 3 challenges. It was nice, sweet, and short. But I really want to thank you so much for taking time for joining me in my saving challenges today. And just remember to invest in your future and track your savings. Toodles.